Hello guys, welcome to the channel. If you are facing that you want to edit your Google Sheets that view only option like this, here how the solution for your problem. So the first one, you can able to request an edit to the owner. So you just click this view only and then request edit access. This is the best way. So you ask them, can you please share the permission, and then you could click send. So after that, request already sent, and the owner of the Google Sheet, the owner of the sheets, will receive the notification from their email that you are request to access. Here the first method, and then the second method. I think the very the very easy one, and then it's very practical. You just copy the sheets and then you will able to edit your these sheets on your own. So you just basically it's duplicate the sheets and then make it as your own. So I put for instance on this my drive, and then I will put edit by me and then make a copy, and then immediately the same sheet, exactly the same sheet, you're able to edit. But the thing is, between those of two, it doesn't connect it. So those are not connected to each other. So if you are edit on your own, on the basic, or I mean on the first one, on the source one, it will not be edited by you. Okay, so for that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.